What's going on, YouTube? Quick trade breakdown and markup. I normally don't trade gold, but one of the people that I'm helping implement my strategy into what he does, he specifically is a gold trader. So for this video, I broke down gold. I saw a good opportunity. I actually took the trade and I happened to gain a 1-3 by the grace of God. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these types of videos, let's get right into it. Breaking down why I am in this gold sell right now. You're probably sleeping, to be honest, bro. You're probably gonna see this in a few hours, as it is 12:30 in the morning. But I want to go to the 1 hour time frame, bro, where I saw basically what I marked up. So I marked up my New York high, my New York low. Obviously, man, you know that this is basically the highest point that we were during New York session. This is the lowest point that we were during New York session. Now, obviously, that was at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which was basically when we closed the market right at an hour before, because 5 p.m. was the closing bell. And then the highest point was right over here at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is the highest point of gold. So I know that anywhere basically pretty much in between this is all noise, and I don't want to get involved in any of that trade. Now, once I identify that, dude, then I'm going to go on the 1 hour time frame, and I can clearly see, bro, like this is a no-brainer where we are on a clear downtrend right over here. As you can see, pretty much gold has been dumping ever since people have been buying at all-time highs. Now that I have that in place, now I wanted to identify some liquidity zones. So obviously, bro, I have liquidity here, which is basically 39.40. Liquidity is just, again, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows. We also have that as well here with a significant amount of wicks. Now, if we do go bearish and continue this move down, which I think that we will, now that I go on the 5-minute time frame, I can see that this could be a potential target one, which would be the nearest liquidity for gold. This will be take profit two. I mean, if you really want to hold for down here, that will be take profit three. But that's more of a swing trade, bro, and that's not my cup of tea. And then, of course, we do have that fair value gap right here that we clearly played into right here for a possible re-entry to go back down to the downside. So I think right now we're just stalling a bit. We're consolidating, but we did have that initial drop. Now, once we retested right over here at the fair value gap, that's where I initially got into my position, like literally right here, and gave me the confidence. Now, I do see us again going down. There's a lot of dynamic liquidity that was built going down. Momentum is pointing down. A lot of big engulfing candles. But again, this is showing us that we do have sellers getting into play and getting into this position strong. And this has gave me the confluence, bro, to keep my bias to basically what is at it essentially. Now, another thing that I do want to also note, bro, is that we do have a bearish harmonic pattern building here. If you don't know what that is, bro, it's from the Candlestick Bible. So we're gonna come here, bearish harmonic pattern right over here, and you can see that we built that literally right over here. So I'm just going to come back here. You can see that we had the bullish candle here, then we had the big bearish candle there. Obviously, these candles, bro, they don't look similar to it, but they play identical to that pattern, as you can see here as well. Again, we had the big bullish candle, bearish candle, which caused the engulfing move right over here. You can see on the 5-minute, we just dumped. So again, that gave me, I'm just gonna screenshot this from my journal. That gave me the confidence to, again, take my position overall. Again, on the hourly time frame, bro, we were going down. We broke my New York lows. So again, the nearest liquidity, bro, is going to be right over here. But I'm probably realistically, bro, I'm gonna close when we get to 50. If I'm being real with you, just because 50 or 55, it's the nearest liquidity. If you look at it from the 1 hour standpoint, and your main goal, bro, is to target, like I said, the nearest liquidity, which would be here. So, yeah, bro, that's definitely why I'm looking for sells. Hopefully, this video brought some value. And as I wake up tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to give you an update on what happened. Currently, I have this trade come in. I'm risking about $46 to gain 150 bucks. So that's about a 1-3 if my mental math is incorrect. Obviously, with the spreads, it would be a 1-4 on TradingView, but on my MetaTrader 5, the spreads do play a part, so it's a 1-3. But yeah, bro, let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, anything that you are wanting to know a little bit more, any clarification, bro, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. But God bless you a ton, my brother, and I hope that you're having an amazing morning as you get ready for work.